Welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a simple question. What exactly is Python and why does every developer seem to love it? Whether you want to get into AI, automation, web development, or just land a high-paying job in tech, Python is the perfect place to start. Python is a high-level, beginner-friendly programming language created to be simple, readable, and powerful. It's used everywhere, from websites to apps to machine learning to automating boring tasks. The biggest reason people love Python is its simplicity. Python code looks almost like English, which makes it perfect for beginners. Python also has one of the biggest programming communities in the world. That means thousands of tutorials, libraries, and solutions to help you learn faster. And speaking of libraries, Python has a library for everything: web apps, data science, AI, automation, even game development. Another reason Python is so popular is simple. It's in extremely high demand. If you want to improve your career or become a developer, Python is the perfect skill to learn. Here's how powerful Python is. With just a few lines, you can automate almost anything. For example, here's a tiny program that renames multiple files at once. This is why companies love Python. Fast development, clean code, big results. And that's why Python is one of the most popular and loved programming languages in the world. In the next video, we'll jump straight into writing your first real Python code, using print, input, and variables to build simple, interactive programs. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.